So our female dog, Rosie, scratched and scratched and scratched until she drew blood. We have a spot there, and let's see, where are the other spots? Oh yeah, here we go. There's one there, oh, one there, and one there. Or yeah, over there, so there you go, somewhere. It's hard for me to see, actually. So Miss Ellie is going to use this Hoover that we just used a few minutes ago to clean the couch, and we're going to see if we can't get up those blood stains. The stains really aren't that bad, and they're only, I don't know, maybe a couple hours old, something like that. We don't know the exact time when the incident happened. Uh-huh. Yep. Why not?
I think the little spot's gone.
That was fast. Okay, this is going to be a short, boring video.
Very tiny.
Yeah. Now, do you see the light changing from green to blue? So the blue is wash. You know, when you go forward, you pull it back, and then it says dry. Now, I think she's going a little too fast. But then again, if all the spots are gone, then she doesn't need to go slowly. So go whatever speed picks up your stain or your dirt.
Now I'm on dry only.
Okay, oh, now she just wants to dry it. All right. Well, gee, this is going to be a quick video.
Well, those three little dots didn't take very long to get up.
Okay. So if you had blood stains in your carpet, get them up as fast as you can, and then they'll come right up. This carpet washer by Hoover, all these videos, especially the first couple of them, just gotten, I mean, tens of thousands of views. It's tremendous. This is very, very popular. Also, I've noticed that a lot of people have a lot of problems with this machine. So, we got it used, I think, a couple of years ago, and I think when we got it, it was like 6 years old, and it basically was just clogged. Needed a little bit of a service, little TLC, and we haven't done anything to it. You might have had a different experience. Very popular machine on Hoover.com, that's for sure. Now I still see there's some blood. Okay, all right, all right. I thought maybe you've forgotten them.
Nope.
All right.
I figured I'd clean the whole carpet. Otherwise the video will alert us.
Okay, all right. She's the boss.
Oh, I don't want spots clean. I want the whole floor clean.
Yeah, okay, all right.
I'm
Now the water you see accumulating in there is from the couch and this floor. So.
not doing the spots yet.
I think a lot of the issues over the years that I've had this machine, my guess is that most typical owners really don't take care of their machine all that well. They use it like a vacuum cleaner and a carpet washer at the same time. And unfortunately, this type of machine clogs up very quickly. And people are like, oh, I had this machine for 3 months or 3 weeks or whatever it is, and it's just clogged. It's like, well, this is meant to really just wash the carpet. It's not meant to vacuum the carpet. I've said this a lot, but I guess I have to keep repeating myself. All right.
Right there in front of me. Right there. Turn the water back on. There we go.
There's Rosie. So look, yeah, it picked everything up. Now, these were easy to clean, but still, a couple hours old blood stain? Do you see it anywhere? Yeah, nothing. Yeah. I think Mrs. Lab's got this machine down.
It's easy to use.
Yep. All right, so now she's doing the dry pass only. Just turned on dry pass. Yeah, I'm looking for it. I see nothing. And little spots were over here. Nope, that's not it. Couch is looking pretty good, still a little wet. That's a wet spot, not a dirt spot anymore. Yeah, well, I mean, as long as your cord is here.
I'll do where she lays all the time.
Okay, all right. Boy, look at that. That is, that is brown. That's brown. We haven't water extracted up here in, I'm going to guess, at least a year. It's been a while. Now, the carpet's normally extremely clean. Well, I mean, except for when you-know-who back there goes and puts her fur on things. So what you're seeing here is basically getting off, like say a general stain, so to speak, a coating that builds up on the fibers. The carpet doesn't really change color. I mean, you can see for yourself, but it does build up over time. So water extract your carpets periodically. You'd be amazed what comes out. The color might not change much, not unless you let it get excessively dirty. Well, here, let me get by you to turn on the light. So I think I might go ahead and end the video right here.
Yep.
She can actually water extract the entire second floor if she wants. We still have a whole bunch of clean, warm water, and there's some solution still available in the back. So that's pretty much what we're looking at. All right, so thanks for watching, and I suppose thanks to Rosie there for dripping a couple of drops of red blood.
Her injury.
Yeah, right on top of her ear. She scratched the top of her ear.
She's been scratching again.
All right, thanks for watching. See you later.